Hello everyone, this is Tiwari Sir here. Today we shall study a very simple program, creating pyramid structure. You see, I have mentioned the output here. When we run the program, we shall get a pattern like this. Here 4 rows are displayed, but our program is more general. We shall input the number of lines and shall get the required result. So let us study the program. First, the first line. What it does, it asks the user to enter the number. Input, enter the number. As we all are familiar, in Python, the input is in form of string. So what we have to do, we have to convert the value into integer. So we have used the int function. Int function converts the entered value into integer and stores it in n variable. Now we are using two loops. The external loop I is for the number of lines, and the internal loop j does the actual printing. For I in range 1, n plus 1. N is the number of lines. Suppose n is 4. So what happens here? 4 plus 1, 5. So the range is 1 to 5. We know the range function. When we are giving 1 to 5, it will work from 1 to 4. So for I in range 1, n plus 1. So the value of I will commence from 1 and end at n. In our case, suppose we have entered n 4. So I will vary from 1 to 4. J is the internal loop. For each instance of I, J will iterate completely. So what is the iteration of J? J will execute from 1 to I plus 1. So when the value of I is 1, J will work from 1 to 2, which means it will work only one time, 1. And a star will be printed, and this asterisk will be printed. End is equal to what is the significance of end here? Because of end, the printing will be in one line. So in the first instance, when the value of I is 1, a single asterisk gets printed and the J loop terminates. Then this is a statement, print statement. This is a print statement where we will create a new line. Next, now the value of I becomes 2. So J will iterate from J is equal to 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 1, 3. That means J will work for 2 times, for 1 and for 2. For 1, this asterisk will be printed, and for 2, another asterisk will be printed. Then again, new line, again, this print will introduce a new line. Then value of I will become 3. And this will work from 1 to 4. That means 1 to 3. So 3 asterisk will be printed. Likewise, in the last instance, 4 asterisk will be printed. So let us now run the program. Run module. Enter the number of lines. I am giving 4. So what we are getting? We are getting a pattern which was as mentioned in the program. Hope you have liked the program. Thank you.